Good morning. I hope kila mtu ako salama. Uh, Najua and I assume everyone understands. Hii video, it's a short one for the purposes of the challenge that we'll be having of doubling an account. And so sitashinda nikitumia vizungu mingi. The purpose of this short video is to guide what we'll be looking out for the strategy and some few tips. And so I'll keep it very brief. One, my name, I think tunajuana na zile username ziko hapo, John Wech, but jina kamili ni Wawero. Wengi tunajuana, so I don't think I need much introduction, and we need to introduce each other, although majority of you hatujaonana. And so I'll use a few examples, but I'll start by giving a general guideline. Now, we'll be looking at the market in two ways. The first one is trending market. The other one is consolidating market. And I want us to keep this as simple as possible so that hata mtu yote ambaye hayuko familiar na trading ataweza kutrade. Now, for consolidating market, it means that it is simply going sideways. And so, market inaenda hivi. It is never this smooth, but at least you have a region that you're looking for support, resistances. So, iko kitu kama hii. Jaribu lock, okay, can proceed kwa inachezea around the same place. So until it breaks out, you look for key zones where the market can likely reverse, support, resistance, and that's what we'll be looking out for. Now, in case there is a breakout, which will lead us to what we'll be looking at next, a trending market, either buying or selling, tutakuwa tunaangalia break of structure and retest of that area and then continuation. Now, nataka nionyeshe how we'll be determining the entry and the targets. So, nikishare, you have an idea what it is that you are looking for. Now, tatumia tu example moja. Market tuseme in a trend na tumeona imebreak hapa, which means imebreak with a body ama candle mbili body, yani clearly imebreak, imeenda na candle body moja mbili hivi tatu, sometimes inaweza endelea. We know it is going to retest this area. Now, what no one of us has control of is where the market determines to change. Market inaweza kuchangia hapa and then resume. Remember your floating controls. Inaweza amua kuingia zaidi, ingia huku katikati, ama hata iende hadi ya huku chini form double bottom. None of us, hiyo hata mimi sina control. This market is about probability. What is the probability that you're working with? And that's why hautawahi kosa floating losses. Now, this is how we will be trading this. The market huwa imetoka in a certain direction. Before iamue kuchange huwa inaenda hivi. Now and then unapata imeamua kubreak hiyo direction iamue change. This applies to both buys and sells, so sitashinda nikipeana example zote. When it is selling, we'll be trading these breakouts. Now, what you do is kuhakikisha mtu hana wasiwasi ya kuhold reds for long. Utakuwa tunawekelea Fibonacci tool, nawekelea and then tunasema anywhere from 50. Tunaweza amua 50, 61.8 hapo, bora tu iko in the premium. Kama ni bullish tunaenda kwa discount area, tunaweka entry hapo, sell limit hapa. Kama ni buy limit. Now, in case it may change direction, this is what I want us to focus on. Delete this. Fib ndio najaribu kung'oa. Delete. So tuseme ime change direction and it is buying. Now, this is how you set targets. Now, for this, you can simply set target to the previous low. Ukiweka Fibonacci. The other way is market, unaweza ekelea hapa Fibonacci, of course, and then uamue kwa 51.50 plus utaingilia, utaweka buy limit hapo, and then ikikuja ikiretest inaanza kupanda. Now utakuwa umeweka limit yako. Remember, unaweza ingilia 50 or muangalie some fair value gaps, but start to complicate maneno na hang consolidate for a while. But what you do is look at the historical reference points, angalia kama kuna fair value gap to be filled ama high, hiyo ndio unaweka as target. Ikikuja ikibreak hapa, remember ita hit TP na iendelee labda. Technical term hii kitu inaitangwa market maker buy model or buy sell model, BTMM. But again tumesema tutaki kizungu mingi. Ikibreak, remember imebreak sasa, imeanza break of structure sasa in this direction. Ikibreak tunaweka fib, tuna target next. Now TP hapo, and that's what we'll be doing. Now we can either set TP equal the high that was broken, or we can look at the historical reference points. Those are the strategies that we'll be looking for, that we will be using. Ukiangalia everything I've shared, setup zangu zote zinakuanga ni hizo tu. Hakuna kitu ya nini nafanyanga. Hakuna anything unique ama mysterious. Ni hizo tu. Just go back to my settings, zile zote mi share. Wanga ni hizo. The moment tumeanza complicate trading, that's when maisha kugonga. Now, that's the strategy too. I'll ask, kwa sababu kuna watu walisema hataweza $100. Nitaweka 100 hata mimi nitakuwa nikishare progress, but jaribu kushare. Ukiumia peke yako kama you're not sharing, hauna wakulaumu. Yule ako na account less, because I know someone ako na 80. Kuna mwingine najua aliekelea $50. First, we'll try to trade with less volatile indices because this is for lining purposes. Two, kama hauko comfortable, try to learn to ile inaitangwaje ku minimize lot size. Una split below minimum lot size. ingia YouTube utapata examples ni mingi. But most importantly, ingia na trade moja. This is for learning. I hope umekelea pesa you are willing to risk. I'm not a prophet and I'm not promising magic, so dynamics za market bado zitaendelea, but unaingia. There comes a time where unaona market inaanza kupanda, labda uliweka entry kwa maybe fib level 50 or 60, but ikashuka ikaamua kuendelea zaidi, and then umeanza kupanda. At that point, yes, unaweza ongeza entry ndio zipatane, but ukuwe sure sasa imeanza in your own direction, kwenda in your own direction. But try as much as possible to deal with one entry at a time, and only add one more wakati sasa umeona ulikuwa na hali entry sasa ndio imeanza kubehave. In case imeviolate the level that you are targeting, that you are working with, tunashuka mapema. So nimepeana strategy, nimepeana risk management, which is one, number of entries, two, lot size. Me was to miss a sell. But if you want to use a stop loss, what you do is just place it above the key level. Kama unataka si una trade this retracement. Kama ni SL, weka hiyo SL hapa. Stop loss yako ikuwe above the key zone. Hapo, mahali hapo. So, hiyo ndio strategy. Ndashare hii video, ndashare link. And then, nikipata setup ndashare. So, ndajaribu kupeana less volatile, tutafocus na less volatile indices. Step index, ile ya kwanza, V25, V10S, V10. Vitu hazitachangamsha watu ama mtu akuwe na wasiwasi wakati una hold trade. I hope that is clear. Tupatane kwa challenge. Have a good day.